Hello everyone, this is my new balcony. Recently I have shifted my apartment from Elephant Road to Old Dhaka, where my college is. This is my new balcony. This is some flowers blooming. I don't know the name of the flower. In Bengali it's called Shiuli, I think. This is a potato. This is a potato leaf. This. This is a shy plant. Yes, you can see. This is a shy plant. This is my firecrackers. And this is also a firecracker. I don't know the name of this plant. It's naturally grew on my balcony. I have just nurtured this, and this has been grown this much. This is another plant which I love, but the flower has not yet come. This is the catmint. This one. This is the catmint. This is another firecracker. And this is my rose. Here you can see that this is there are 5 roses coming out. They are birds. Now it is night. This is the view from my balcony. So many lights out there. These are 2 papaya trees. Those have been grown naturally. I didn't plant them. They should be repotted, I think, but I don't have that much places for them. See how beautiful they are. This is my balcony in the night view. This is my rubber. Ta-ta. Bye.